So, Horblins, gonna eat those baked beans over there?
I don't know. Might.
Well, are you? Because I really want them baked beans.
I don't know. They're not good enough for those butt buns over there. I won those in '97 from my lawnmower race.
How about I race it for them?
You're 9v12 against my 10 t-shirt. Oh, you ain't stand a chance, Dillard.
Oh, it's on then.
Hi, we're live here in Quigley, Nebraska, the 3rd annual lawnmower races. I'm Jesse. So let's get started and let's have a word with the contestants, see what they have to say. Well, hello, we're live here with Dylan, Oscar Biscuits, and I'm going to be asking him a few questions about this upcoming race. Dylan, what are your strategies for this upcoming race? That's good to hear. What kind of lawnmower are you driving? Hold on. That's awful clean. You're getting it. This is pointless. Thanks. Hello, we're back live with Orbless Douglas, and here's as if he is working on his mower before the big race. What are you working on here, Alice?
Well, I just replaced the transmission in her, and I reupholstered the undercarriage.
Wow, that's good. That's impressive.
I fixed the valve pipes on the pistons.
Wow.
It's almost ready to go.
Well, son, why don't he give us a ride? Who would like that? Would you would you care?
It could ruin the mower, but it's worth it.
Yes, he says it's worth it. Let's give it a shot.
It's gonna be good.
I can tell. Wow. Wow. First try! Well, it seems as if the race is about to begin. Isn't that a beautiful sight right there? Big boys in a lawnmower. Got a good race ahead of us. Some good television. Beware, you might have to take the kids out of the room. Here they come, down the street. The wind at their backs. Nothing to hold back now. This is all of it. It's a close one. Hard to decide. Looks like Orbless. It's Orbless! We got this one in the back. Oh no. Wait. Dylan's doing some kind of maneuver. May have cost him. There's Orbless! There's Orbless! Let's take a replay. Let's take a replay. Oh my god! This is incredible! Austin won! I've never seen anything like this! Let's have a word with him! Austin! Orbless! How was it? How was it?
Well, I had fun. I have to say it was a pretty good race. I never expected something like that out of Dillard. I honestly didn't.
Really?
Nope. Well, Dilby's good.
Just good.
You could bring him in here.
Come here. Let's get back. Let's get back, Louis. How was it?
I just want to tell Dylan he can have the beans. He honestly can.
I
He deserves them.
He earned them from a champion in 1997. He earned it.
Yeah.
Well, that'll conclude our race. Bye, something.